Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little bit of a news item. So Apple has made several announcements at the WWDC, the Worldwide Developer Conference. And one that was a rumor and that is finally official is about its operating system and the numbering system that goes with it. And you know what? Makes me think about Windows also at the same time. So this is a big change. Apple is moving its numbers for the operating system for iPhones, the iOS, the IPadOS for iPads, WatchOS for the watch, of course, tvOS for the Apple TV. They're all moving to version 26. Why? Because this is now, from going forward, the numbers will match the years where they're pretty much going to be in full deployment. So this new numbering system goes with the year, iOS 26 for 2026. And all the new operating systems year after year after year will go with the year. So iOS 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and so on. Why not do the same thing with Windows? Instead of going to Windows 12, hey, Windows version 2026, Windows version 2027. Why not? It'd be kind of interesting for another reason. It'd be extremely clear what year the operating system was meant to be. And I think it's not that bad of an idea. And of course, for those that have iPhones, iPads, and so on, it's one of the biggest updates for iOS and for devices in quite a long time, and the redesign of the operating system. So if you have an iPhone, an iPad, and so on, check it out. That will now be probably something interesting. They've added something that's very Vista-like, kind of Aeroglass type transparencies. They're calling it liquid glass, which is kind of funny. And so all of this is being introduced, and of course Apple introduces also the MacOS Tahoe, I guess you pronounce it. So the new macOS for MacBooks. I guess they should have called it macOS 26. Why not go with the numbering scheme for everything? So that's the big announcement today at WWDC, the Worldwide Developer Conference from Apple. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.